Hi, I'm Craig with ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we'll be doing a brief overview on this Frigidaire electric freestanding oven. This Frigidaire oven is equipped with a self-cleaning function, dual radiant element, as well as a warming zone. The most common repairs you'll find inside of it could be an infinite switch, possibly an element, or a bake or broil element. Now,
click on the link below to view this repair video. ApplianceVideo.com guides you step by step, giving you the confidence to avoid recalls and callbacks, also saving time on repairs. Whether you're up against an uncommon repair or the latest appliance on the market, our videos have been created with you in mind. Our growing library of videos have been produced using our factory-certified technicians who have extensive in-field experience over the past 30 years. ApplianceVideo.com provides high-quality repair videos that anyone can follow, regardless of their skill level. We are here to help. Click on the link below to view this repair video and let us help you do it right the first time.